This is Easy Store India seller app which you can download from Play Store, and now I am sharing few guidelines to you how to change the status of order. See, this is your dashboard page where you can see how many new orders you have, how many shipped orders you have, and how many delivered orders you have. Go to your orders page. You will get the orders list, which is placed, confirm, ready to ship, etc. By example purpose, we'll take this premium choice hair spa. This order is placed by customer on 10th April. So uh, after customer place the order, you have to change the status to confirm. Once you confirm the order, you will get notification like this, and your customer will also get notification that you have confirmed the order. After confirming the order, start processing for your orders. Then once your processing is complete and your product is ready, change the status to ready to dispatch. If you are changing status to ready to dispatch, you will get notification and email as well. And then Easy Store delivery service also get a notification and email. Then they will come and pick the order from you, and then they will change the status to ship. Means it is shipping right now. And then if you are delivering the product, then you have to change the status to shipped. Right now we'll take our delivery services are changing, shipping the order. Once they ship the order, then once they deliver the order, they'll change status to deliver. And also you will also get notified by email and notifications. That's it, as simple as that. You cannot cancel the order in between. If customer cancels the order, then you will get notified by that. And suppose now you take this flip flop, it is already in shipped state, so you cannot place the order and revert back. You have next status only you can give, that is delivered, like this. If you are this Diwali special Toran is now in shipped state, and then you are going back and making it confirm, so this is not possible, could not update the status. So you can only go in forward manner, you cannot go in revert manner in this. So this is once your order is delivered, you will get invoices here. Okay, once your order is delivered, you will see changing this delivery status on your dashboard page. Okay, that's it. Thank you.